Everyone, my name is Kandati Prashant Reddy, studying 9th class in Akash High School. Today I am standing in front of you to say about Indian Space Program. Indian Space Program was started in 1962. The best example for Indian Space Program is Chandrayaan 3. The word Chandrayaan is derived from Latin word. Chandrayaan means mooncraft. The Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14th July 2023 and landed on Moon orbital in 23 August 2023. It was the first mission to land on the Moon is Chandrayaan. It is similar to the Chandrayaan 2. It contains lander Vikram and rover Pragyan. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.